Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. The Smoking Beard here, bringing you another easy to follow recipe to try at home. In this video, I will show you a simple yet satisfying way to make your very own homemade barbacoa. But before we dive into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to keep up with the latest and greatest. For this homemade barbacoa recipe, you will need the following things: 2 packs of beef cheeks, salt, black pepper, garlic, half an onion, beef broth, a crock pot, a knife, and a cutting board. Start off by dicing the onions. They will serve as a bed for your beef cheeks and keep them off of the bottom of the crock pot. Place the onions on the bottom of the crock pot. Pour enough beef broth to cover the bottom of the crock pot, but not so much that your onions start to float. Next, peel a clove of garlic and chop it up. Open up your beef cheeks and give them an inspection. Feel around to see if any of the parts need to be trimmed off. You can tell what parts need to be trimmed by how it feels compared to the meat. The stuff that needs to be trimmed off is mainly white and at the edges of the meat. Cut the pieces off, and if you don't see meat where you cut it, you should be good. If you're not sure what to cut off, just leave it. You can always remove it after it's cooked. Next, salt and pepper your beef cheeks to taste. Finally, place all your beef cheeks in your crock pot and set it on high. At this point, you're done. You can add a little bit more beef broth once all the meat is in the crock pot. Other than that, you can go to sleep and the crock pot will do its thing. 10 hours later, and without doing anything else, your barbacoa is done. Fish out the pieces as best as you can. At this point, the meat is going to be very tender. Strain it as much as possible before transferring it to a bowl where you will use to shred it. With a fork or two, shred the barbacoa to your desired size. Use corn or flour tortillas and some salsa to enjoy. One more thing, I like to cut up fresh potatoes, fry them, and serve them as a side. Don't ask me why, but it does go well together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.